Struggling with language issues for non-Unicode programs in Windows 11? Try this fix. Press Windows key and R to open Run. Now type intl.cpl in it and click OK. In the Region dialog box, click on the Administrative tab. Now, under the Language for Non-Unicode Program section, click on the Change System Locale button. In the Region Settings dialog box, the current system locale field is set to English, United States by default. Change it to the language you want to view the Unicode in. For instance, here we changed it to Latin, World. Click on OK to save the changes and exit. That's it. Now, simply restart your computer for the changes to be effective. You can now view the program Unicode in your preferred language in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.